What's up guys? Installing a hitch on your Nissan Kicks can take you to some really fun places, like camping, bike riding, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go and break down that install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. First, we're going to need to prep the underbody. I'm going to need to lower the exhaust using a support strap and my exhaust pliers. Next, we're going to need to trim our heat shield. In order to take it off from the vehicle, we're going to be using a 15/16 socket to remove the fasteners. I went ahead and marked out our trimming spot according to the instructions. I'm going to use some tin snips to go ahead and trim it. Next, we're going to need to lower the carbon canister on the driver's side of the vehicle. The instructions say to use a 10mm socket. On our vehicle, we found that our forwardmost bolt is actually a 13 and our back bolt is a 12. We'll go ahead and need to remove the cover for the canister to get to the second bolt. Next, we're going to need to enlarge both of our access points on the vehicle. You're going to be using the forwardmost holes to go ahead and enlarge it. With the underbody prep, we can install our hardware. We're going to go ahead and be using the fish wire technique for all the bolts. We can go ahead and reinstall our heat shield. We can go ahead and get our hitch into place. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one at home, it is a good idea to get an extra set of hands as the hitch can be heavy. We're going to go ahead and install our conical tooth washer and our nut. You're going to want to make sure that the teeth are facing the hitch. Now we can go ahead and torque all of our bolts to manufactured specifications. Next, we can go ahead and reinstall our carbon canister on the driver's side. Next, we can go ahead and reinstall our exhaust. Now with the vehicle on level ground, let's go ahead and get you some important measurements. We're going to have a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper, it's going to be 5 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver, we're going to have 12 inches. That'll help you determine your length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.